Let's come together and embrace purity in life. Yes, embrace purity in life, with a true heart and a pure intention. Let's keep Baba in our remembrance, spreading the light of knowledge, awakening every soul to truth in these golden moments of the Confluence Age. Let's bring a new dawn to this world.
Let's come together and awaken peace within. Awaken peace deep within the mind. Let's let go of anger and hatred, and light the lamps of love in every action. Let there be the fragrance of yoga in every word, the sweetness of kindness. Let's come together and embrace purity in life, and turn this earth once more into heaven.
Let's come together as one and walk the path of divine service. Let love flow through every heart, and truth become every soul's support. Step by step with Baba we walk, singing songs of the soul's awakening.